Julian Williams, centre forward, Paul Maddock, hat-trick today against Llandudno. Talk us through the goals this afternoon.
Well, I think my first goal was important because it gave us a bit of space between them to make it 3-0, and it just calmed us down a little bit. But at the end of the day, I wouldn't have got there without my teammates, and then the second came, third came, and then thankfully a few more lads chipped in with the win. And then it was just, we needed the win to push us forward into the next game against Rhyl, so we'll be going there full of confidence.
There's always a big game against Llandudno, having scored 7 away at Llandudno. 1-0 would have done today, but scoring 7 is a great achievement by the whole team.
Yeah, scoring 7 or 1, it doesn't really matter. It's all about getting the 3 points on the board, especially over a busy time over Christmas. And in the league we haven't really been doing too well, but now let's hopefully push on and then get as many points as we can.
Having played for Rhyl a few seasons ago, what type of reception do you expect at Rhyl? And are you looking to go back and play well for Paul Maddock next week?
I expect a good welcome off them. They were good to me, but I'm not going to hold anything against them. I'm going to go there, guns blazing, and hopefully get 3 points. And
hopefully finish the season as top scorer and overtake Chaplin for the top scorer again this season?
Hope so, but to me it doesn't really matter. It's all about the team and just take every game as it comes.
Okay, diolch yn fawr iawn.
Iawn, diolch.